So guys, showing is here with more Redmi game on the LeetCode channel. So in today's video, we are solving our question number 647 by the name of palindromic substrings. So yeah, in today's video, we are solving this question in Python 3, and by the way, this is a medium one question which we are solving, and in this question there are three topics are included by the name of two pointers, string, and dynamic programming. And this question is based on three hints. It has given you a three hints, okay, but we do not view it because we do not need of it, okay. And one more thing I want to tell you that total 1.5 million people have submitted this question, and total 1 million people 57,000 has been accepted. Means that this is one of the most popular questions, because in the previous question if I see total 2 million people have submitted this question, but only 9 lakh has been accepted. But this question is very easy, I think, because total 1.5 million people have submitted this question, and total 1 million people, 1 million and 1 lakh people has accepted it. So it must be, this question it must be easier, because the acceptance rate is 72.0% also. Okay. So but anyways, let's try to solve today's question in Python 3. And by the way, if you do not access my playlist and bookmark it of LeetCode camp, so please access it and bookmark it also. So without wasting any time, let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing it. So guys, let's start today's video. In today's video, we are solving our question number 647 by the name of palindromic substrings. So let's start to solve today's question, and this question is based on two examples. So first of all, we understand the question, what is the question is trying to say, then we come on to the examples. It has given me a string by the name of S. We want to return the number of palindromic substrings in it, and here's one palindromic substrings. Okay, a string is a one palindrome when it reads the same backward as forward. Okay, please highlight this palindrome. A substring is a contiguous sequence of characters within the string. Now, highlighted is some word which I am highlighted. Example 1. Here he created one integer string by the name of S, in which he wrote in down A, B, C, and the output is becoming 3. Why? Because the three palindromes strings means A, B, C. So that's why. Means because there are three palindrome strings A, B, and C. So that's why the output is becoming 3. In the second example, here he created one string by the name of S, in which he wrote in down A, and A. But the output is becoming 6. Why? What is the logic behind it? Because there is a 6 palindromic strings A, double A, then double A, and then triple A. So that's why. So this logic is behind of it. Okay, means 1A, then second A, then third A, then double A, then double A, then triple A. So that's why. Okay, the output is becoming 6. Now there are the two constants it has been also be given you. Now this question, you can see it in this question it has been given you 3 hints, so you can also view these 3 hints if you want to view it. Okay, but we are not viewing it. Now let's start to solve it. This is a medium one question. So first of all, what we gonna do now, we first of all define a class of a solution that count substring, or do not define 2s self comma s as a one string, so we are defining here as string in it. Ans equals to 0, def as pr s comma I comma then j, then semicolon, then count equals to 0, while loop 0 less than equals to I and j less than equals to, we found the length of our s, and then minus 1 and s I equals to s j, and then define here semicolon. Enter press, define here count plus equals to 1, then define I minus equals to 1, j plus equals to 1. Perfect. Back, return count, define here for I in range, for loop here I am defining, then length, and then we found the length of our s string. ans plus equals to spr s comma I, and then ans plus equals to spr s comma I, and then plus and then 1, and then we define return ans. So here we have written about all the codes. Last thing is to submit this code. First of all, we run this code and let's see the running code. So when I run this code, so the running code has been accepted. So let's see the submission code. So when I submit this code, so now the submission code is also be accepted, and I beat total 40% people very easily. Yes, so I'm letting him paste this solution, and here I post it. So here you can see it. So here you can see in today's video we saw question number 1647 by the name of palindromic substrings. So if you enjoyed today's video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials, and come out in my profile by the name of Rayyan. So view my profile, and total 297 people has 297 question I have solved it very soon, very far away, but we are my target is to solve total 300 questions. So tomorrow means then after the 3 days my 300 questions will be successfully solved. Okay, and I get total 2 badges. Here you can see 100 days badge and 50 days badge. So now the one more badge is coming. Okay, here you can see it, one more badge has coming. But anyways, let's meet in the next video, amazing video like this. So now for today, goodbye.